My name is Peter Clough. I am a Service Manager Configuration Analyst for Bedfordshire, Cambridgeshire and Hertfordshire Police. My role is building, managing, keeping processes working, helping others using it. We use it for our ICT provision, most of our HR provision, basically completely replacing email inputs. Since introducing Hornbill, we have completely eradicated, I believe, incoming emails as a source of new calls. In total, we probably significantly streamlined or automated at least 20 processes, password resets, hardware requests for new starters, software access, mailbox access, a whole bunch of HR processes. I would recommend Hornbill because it does simplify a lot of things, that different pain points, I suppose, that like you said, it centralizes everything. So you've got self-service, you've got incoming calls, you've got emails if you use them, and they can all be collected and you can handle it all under one system as opposed to having to jump between 3 different programs to manage things.